Hey Jetty Rockers, welcome to Jetty Rocks Fishing, and I'm Mike D. In this video, I'm going to show you guys something a little different. It's a little bit of a technique, a little on the advanced size of cleaning a fish, but it's a really effective way, and it's the best way to clean a flounder to make stuffed flounder. And I'm going to show you how to do the pocket method in cleaning a flounder. That's where you completely remove the backbone inside the flounder, but you leave the flounder intact. All the fillets are completely intact. You're not filleting them off. It's one solid pocket. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. Alright guys, well here we go. We got our little flounder here. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to scale it. So we're going to take a little spoon here. We're going to go ahead and scale the flounder. These flounders scale really easy, guys. They're a very easy fish to scale. We'll just go ahead and get all the way up. Get across some fins like that. Like that, guys. Really easy. To the other side. Sorry there's a shadow being cast at this time of day in the late afternoon. Alright guys, we got our flounder nice and scaled, both sides. So what we're going to do here is you're going to feel where that cavity ends, which is right about there. So we're going to take it and do a diagonal cut straight across, and we're going to remove the head from the flounder. All right, about like that. So now you got a piece looks about like that, guys. All right, we're going to clean all this up, and then we're going to finish this inside the house. Alright guys, now we got our filleted flounder with the head cut off. Now we're gonna need some scissors or some kitchen shears and a nice sharp knife, preferably almost the length of your flounder, about like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do, guys, is you see where this lateral line is right here. That's where the bone starts, right there, the backbone. So we're gonna go in here, go on top of that backbone. And we're going to fillet this flounder all the way out to here. You can see, I don't know if you can see my knife hitting there. Go all the way to the tail. Try not to go through like I just did a little bit there. Come over the backbone here. Like this. See my knife right there? See that moving? That's what you want to do. So basically, you got the whole top fillet off of the fish. So make sure you got it all going same way. Just like that. Little pieces of meat right there. A little bit of pin bones right there. We'll get those out. There we go. Feel another little pin bone. Alright, we got it. So you got that pretty much. Now you're going to flip it over. And then you're going to do the same thing. Just like that. Turn it over. Go over the backbone. Do the same thing. All the way down. Alright. Make sure you got it real good. Especially in that tail section. Alright, come back over, make sure we got everything. Feels pretty good. Alright, so now we got the backbone completely separated from the fish. So now here's where the scissor part comes in. You're going to come here and just going to cut. Cut down as far as you can. Try not to get into your meat. Okay, like that. Okay, about like that. Now you can unfold your flounder, kind of like a sock. Put it completely away, and he'll just come right like this, guys. It takes a little bit of practice to do this, y'all, so play with it. And there you go, it's completely inside out. Pull the tail so you get all the skin right about there, and then you're just going to cut that off right there. Look at that, guys. There's the backbone of the flounder. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to find where all these fins are right here. You're just going to cut all that off. Cut as close to the meat as you can. Okay. Same here. So you have as little as bones as possible. Okay, here's some more bones. Now I did cut through a little bit on the one side, so this isn't going to be absolutely perfect. But that will happen sometimes, but it's not going to ruin your stuffed flounder. Okay. Alright, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off real quick. Alright, I got the flounder all rinsed off. So now what we got to do is just got to turn it right side out again. There we go. Like I said, it takes a little bit of moving around to get it to work. Eventually you'll get it going. There we go. Just like that. Now there you go. You got a perfectly boneless flounder pocket. See that, guys? It's a complete pocket. Now you can stuff whatever kind of stuffing you want in there. And all you're going to have to deal with is just a little bit of bones on the outside. After it's cooked, just peel the fin off, cut the tail off, and you can slice it. And there you go, guys. Now I did mess up a little bit. I cut through right there, but that'll be fine. I can pin that together with a toothpick or something like that while I'm cooking, so it's not a complete mess up. You can still save the pocket. But there you go, guys. There is a flounder pocket for your stuffed flounder. Well, hey guys, I hope you all enjoyed that video and I hope you found it very informative. It's just a little bit different way of cleaning a flounder other than your traditional way, but this is the best way to clean one if you're going to do stuffed flounder. There's a couple other methods for making stuffed flounder which aren't as a little bit tedious as this one, but this is by far makes the best stuffed flounder. It's outstanding. It's a solid piece of fish. You stuff it real good and thick with whatever stuffing you want to stuff it with, and you slice it off in really nice sections and pieces. It comes out outstanding, which you'll see in a video coming up. I'm doing a flounder catch and cook using this method. So I want to thank you guys very much for hanging out and watching this video. I hope you guys give this a try, especially if you guys really like stuffed flounder and you never thought of doing it this way. This is a great method, guys. I mean, you once you learn how to do it, it's pretty easy. It's not that bad, but it does take a little bit of finesse with it. You do got to mess with it a little bit, and yeah, you're going to cut through sometimes like I did in this one, but you just fix it with a toothpick and you're good to go. And you can go ahead and do this in advance and then freeze them, put them in the freezer just like you would any other fish, and you'll be good to go, guys. Well, thank you guys very much, and so get to see you again here on the water pretty soon. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'd like to invite you all to go follow me on my Facebook page at Jetty Rocks Fishing, and also my Instagram page. I also have a JRF apparel page, which will send you a link to my Teespring page, where I have some cool shirts and some mugs. I appreciate you guys very much. Well, check out the description in the bottom of this video. I'll have the links. Tight lines, Jetty Rockers.